Maintenance requests piling up, equipment breaking down unexpectedly, work orders scattered across spreadsheets, sticky notes, and email threads. Your team is scrambling to find asset histories, track what's overdue, and figure out who's available to fix what's broken right now. Sound familiar? You're managing critical operations with tools that weren't built for maintenance, and it's costing you time, money, and control. That ends today. I'm here to show you how eWorkOrders transforms maintenance operations across every industry. Whether you're managing maintenance at a manufacturing plant or data center, or even at a school, hospital, or anything in between, our cloud-based CMMS gives you complete control over work orders, assets, and maintenance schedules. And with AI-powered features, we make maintenance management smarter, faster, and easier than ever. Every organization faces the same maintenance challenges. Preventative maintenance constantly gets pushed back by emergencies. Critical equipment histories are lost or incomplete. You have no visibility into what's overdue, what's at risk, or whether you even have the parts in stock. When something breaks, you're wasting valuable time hunting for information and trying to figure out who to assign. Meanwhile, compliance documentation is scattered, reporting takes forever, and you're always one step behind instead of one step ahead. Without a centralized system, you're reactive instead of proactive, and that reactive approach is costing you more than you realize. That's why thousands of organizations trust eWorkOrders. Our comprehensive CMMS platform gives you everything you need in one place. Easily create, assign, and track work orders from any device. Automate preventative maintenance scheduling so critical tasks never fall through the cracks. Track complete asset histories from installation to retirement. Know exactly when equipment was serviced and when it's due next. Here's where it gets smarter. Our AI-powered assistant helps you set up preventative maintenance schedules automatically, recommending optimal intervals based on your equipment and industry best practices. When work orders come in, they can be intelligently assigned to the right technician based on skills, availability, and workload, eliminating manual scheduling guesswork. Your technicians can use our app from any smartphone or tablet to access work orders, update status, and log completed tasks right from the field. No more running back to the office for paperwork. Manage your spare parts inventory with real-time tracking and low stock alerts. Generate powerful reports and dashboards to track KPIs, identify trends, and make data-driven decisions. And stay audit-ready with centralized document storage and compliance reporting. Whether you're managing one facility or 50, eWorkOrders scales with your needs, all with transparent pricing, exceptional US-based support, and fast implementation that gets you up and running in days, not months. Organizations like Honda, McDonald's, Siemens, and thousands more trust eWorkOrders to reduce downtime, extend asset life, and transform their maintenance operations. We've earned over 120 industry awards for ease of use, best value, and customer support, because we deliver a solution that actually works the way your team does. We do all this while focusing on our customers, not venture capitalists, and while maintaining the highest level of security in the industry. If you're ready to move from reactive chaos to proactive control, with AI-powered automation, complete visibility, and a system your whole team will actually use, we're here to help. Contact eWorkOrders today to discuss your specific maintenance needs and schedule a free demonstration. Visit eWorkOrders.com or call 888-3334-617. Let's transform your maintenance operations together.